How to forward calls on iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Here, scroll down through the list of applications and tap on Phone. This will take you to the Settings page specific to the phone app, where you can manage various call-related features. Here, scroll down to the Calls section and tap on the Call Forwarding option. On the Call Forwarding screen, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. A new option, Forward to, will appear. Tap on it to proceed. You will be taken to a new screen where you can enter the phone number you want your calls forwarded to. Use the keypad to type in the desired number. Once entered, your calls will be automatically rerouted. The call forwarding feature is now active and will redirect all incoming calls. Following these steps, you can easily forward calls on an iPhone.